Welcome back to the kitchen. Today we're going to be doing some cooking.
We're recreating Taco Bell's vegetarian Crunchwrap Supreme.
Our favourite fast food restaurant is Taco Bell and we always get the Crunchwrap Supreme. So today we're going to be recreating that.
But first we need to get all the ingredients. Let's go to the shops. You will need lettuce, an avocado, tomatoes, wraps, mini wraps, beans, cheese.
So Crunchwrap Supremes are these little packages made with a tortilla and then fried, and they've got a layer of crunch in the middle, which is like a big Dorito or tortilla chip. So we're going to use these mini wraps and put them in the oven so that they can crisp up.
What temperature are you putting the oven to?
About 180. Straight on the grill.
Next we're going to cook our beans, which are going to be like the main portion of the Crunchwrap Supreme.
The protein.
The protein.
Yeah. We're just going to let them simmer away with some spices.
It's not very clean.
I'm going to strain a bit of the bean juice off.
What spices are you going to add, Will?
I'm going to add a bit of paprika, a bit of cumin, maybe a tiny bit of chili powder, salt and pepper.
Very nice. Whilst Will looks after the beans, I'm going to start prepping the veg. So that's the making the guacamole and cutting up the lettuce and the tomatoes. Now I'm just going to add my seasonings to my guacamole and then it will all be done. Now that we have all of our elements ready, we need to put it together.
So on the bottom, your big tortilla, put some beans.
It's going to be a thick boy if you keep going.
And put some cheese with your beans. We got our crispy tortillas.
You want everything to stay in the middle because you're going to wrap the big one over everything else.
It's yummy guacamole.
That's good.
Yeah, add a bit of your crunchy lettuce and a couple of bits of tomato. Hopefully it'll stay together. And then you've got to try and wrap everything into the middle.
Oh gosh, that looks like it might be a bit big. You've got a little spare.
Ideally, you'll want it to close up, but this one hasn't quite. I'm not sure what's going to happen there.
Uh-oh.
I haven't managed to fit it all in. I've been too greedy. But hopefully it'll be okay. I might just have some fried lettuce. And once it's built, you've got to transfer it carefully over to your hot pan to seal it off.
This is the big moment.
It'll be okay. Stay together.
Well, that did alright. How long do you wait for it to cook for?
I'm not really sure. About 5 minutes, I think, until both sides are golden. Okay, I'm gonna go for the flip. Hopefully it stays together.
Way!
Got a bit of fried lettuce. That'll be alright. So now it's nice and toasted, nice and crunchy on the outside, hopefully crunchy in the middle. I'm going to cut it open.
You can hear the crunch.
See the layers?
Yeah.
Well, let's have a try.
I'm looking forward to this. Oh.
Careful. The back's not very sealed, so it might fall apart.
Cheers.
Cheers. Nice beans, nice crunch.
I think this is a good idea, the tortilla.
We've tried it before with like tortilla chips, and it's not worked as well as that. Very good.
Would you have it again?
Of course, definitely.
It almost has like its own charm to it than Taco Bell because it feels fresher and more homemade. So it's almost like I prefer this, but obviously Taco Bell has its moments and really pulls through for me sometimes.
Well, we'll enjoy this. Maybe you can make it at home.
See you in the next one.
See you in the next one.